Hello everybody, today I want to talk to you about something pretty exciting. Here in Premiere Pro, there have been some new tools added in to help you sound better. So I know a lot of people might not have access to good studio mics and things like that, and now you can go in here and correct your audio very quickly. First up, let's take a listen to this clip. This was used before I had my proper studio mic set up, and it's a recording that I did a few years back. Let's take a listen. Hello, my name is Willie Schaefer. I'm the Adobe Creative Cloud Support Specialist here at UTSA. My Adobe journey... So you can hear it sounds very staticky, there's a lot of noise, there's some echo going on, there's a lot of problems. But Adobe has added AI tools that will help you make your presentations sound more professional. Check this out. I'm going to come over here to Essential Sound. If you don't see that, it's just Window and then Essential Sound. From this list, I'm going to select Dialogue. I'm going to come to Enhance. And because this audio is pretty rough, I'm going to turn this enhancement up very high. So now, when I scrub my playhead back and hit play.
Hello, my name is Willie Schaefer. I'm the Adobe Creative Cloud.
You can hear that sounds much better. Now, it's a little bit quiet, so I'm going to use some traditional Premiere Pro techniques over here. I'm going to click the stopwatch, and then I'm going to turn my volume level up to about 6 or 7. Scrub my playhead back and take another listen.
Hello, my name is Willie Schaefer. I'm the Adobe.
And you can hear how much better that sounds. Now with this, another thing to remember, as I'm correcting this audio, you can still hear a little bit of noise, but the other thing you can do to make your audio sound better is add in some background audio. So I'm just going to take this music track that I got from the YouTube audio library, drag it over. One of the things I'm going to do here is I'm going to use that same panel over here. I'm going to define that as music. I'm going to turn on ducking, and that will reduce the volume of my music down. I'm going to adjust the amount so it'll be a little bit quieter, and select Generate Keyframes. Now when I scrub my playhead back and hit play.
Hello, my name is Willie Schaefer. I'm the Adobe Creative Cloud Support Specialist here at UTSA. My Adobe journey started about...
So now we have a professional sounding piece in a matter of just moments. Please take advantage of this to make your presentations sound more professional with Adobe. Well, that's it for this week. Can't wait to see you again next week for another quick tip.